Whoa. Kind of tastes like Pepto-Bismol in the best way. On this episode of Around the World in Atlanta, we're going to Thailand. Wow, this place is so cute. Hi. I'm so excited for this, you guys. We're at Tom Pok having Thai food, specifically Isan cuisine or northeastern Thai food. This style of Thai food is known for being kind of like that iconic, what you think of in Thai cuisine, the flavorful herbs, the fresh vegetables, papaya salad, grilled meats. So I'm super excited and I'm starving. So we're gonna get right into it. You're probably gonna want something crisp, refreshing, since that's really what this cuisine is known for. Everything's written in Thai and in English. And I see what I want. I want a cup of the Tom Yum soup. You can actually order online, or you can press this little button up here and call the waitress yourself too. All right, so we got the Pad-Zee-Ew, the Tom Yum soup, a cup of that, and then I want to get a cold salad. So let's see what they have in the salad options, the Isan style salads. Here we go. Green papaya salad with fish sauce. Oh my God, that sounds good. I think I'm gonna go with the Tum Pu Plara, which has, she said it's more fishy. It has a crab in it. I think I want to go for that. I've never had that before. Okay, I just put it in. Let's do medium spicy. I'm gonna take it easy because Thai hot is Thai hot. Okay, I heard that they have some really interesting traditional Thai beverages. Definitely gotta go with one of those. They said one that's like pink, they called it like pink drink, but I think it's this red Nom Yen. Let's go with that. Thank you. All right, the food, so fast. The Tom Yum soup is here. Wow, so beautiful. You can see the tofu floating in there. It looks like it was fried tofu, crispy, and then put into the soup. Wow, I love that. Oh my gosh, you can smell the cilantro immediately as soon as I lift it up. Wow. Wow. Whoa. That's unlike other Tom Yum soups I've had in the past. This one actually has a very creamy mouth texture to it. It's not just like a broth. Wow, it's amazing. The tofu is definitely fried crispy, so it still maintains a nice little crunch even though it's sitting inside of the soup. Love that. Let's get some with a little bit of this tomato. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. Sour, a little bit of sweetness to balance it out. It's like a sweet and sour soup. The broth is incredible. Little bites of red onion, the crispy tofu, and the tomato adds a really nice vegetable, or should we say fruit, since tomato's a fruit component. Wow. And look how much tofu you get in here. This is just the cup. They do a full hot pot too, but this is just a cup of the Tom Yum with tofu.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Thank you. Look at this. This is the pink drink I was talking about, and I totally forgot the name now. What a contrast. This hot Tom Yum and this cold pink drink. It's so like representative of the colors of Thailand, that energy, the decoration, the food. Whoa. Kind of tastes like Pepto-Bismol in the best way. It's sweet, milky, and the color itself also reminds you of Pepto-Bismol. But I like Pepto-Bismol, okay? So this is delicious. And it's ice cold. Oh, wow. Really good. I wonder exactly what is the pink stuff in it. Let's look it up. It's called red Nom Yen. So it's also known as Thai pink milk, and it's Sala flavored syrup. That's where the bright red comes from. And then it's mixed with milk, served over ice. But what is Sala? It's sweetened with a little bit of condensed milk too, but it's not a lot. It's really just to sweeten it because it's not thick at all. It's not heavy. In this description I'm reading online, it says the Sala syrup provides a sweet and slightly floral or aromatic taste. So not like strawberry, but more of a floral component, which I definitely get that. And it's an artificial flavor. It's not coming from a specific fruit or vegetable. And what I know from Thailand, especially up in the Northeast where this food is specializing in today, it's very hot, very humid. So I can see this red Nom Yen is like the perfect cooling off drink. And even the atmosphere in here, it's fall in Atlanta right now, but it is a pretty warm day outside, and they've kind of recreated this environment in here where they have like fans going. You kind of feel like this light draft, but it's not cold. It's not like this air conditioned cold. Very cool. I really appreciate it. And this drink goes perfect. I'm probably gonna need this for the green papaya salad. Oh, thank you.
Me, of course.
Yum. Speaking of which, look at that. Finely julienned papaya tossed in fish sauce. Apparently it's got crab in it too for this one. But that looks so fresh and crisp. Imagine a piping hot day in Thailand. So humid, you're sweating, and you got this cold, refreshing salad to go with it. Wow. Medium spice does not disappoint. So flavorful, rich, salty, fish saucy. Wow. Man, that is a flavor bomb. Here's some crab. Oh, that's what it is, fermented crab. That's what's in here, look at it. Wow. You can see it's juicy in there. The crab has like a very concentrated fish sauce flavor, like it was fermented in the fish sauce. It's a little bit sweet too. Okay, and our Pad-Zee-Ew with crispy pork belly has arrived. So before I continue in this papaya salad, it's cold, so it's not gonna get any colder. Let's try the Pad-Zee-Ew. I don't want it to get cold on us. Look at this beautiful dish. The bright green and the pork belly. I've never had Pad-Zee-Ew with pork belly. Look, here's a piece right here. Wow. Let's go in. Got a little bit of noodle, pork belly, and some of the greens. Wow. The pork belly is fatty, chewy, but crispy on the outside. I'm still chewing on that crispy exterior. Wow. The noodles are so soft, chewy, delicate. And these greens, I think these are like almost like a broccoli style. So fresh. Nice, thick sliced pork belly. Like how we would know like in Hispanic countries, like a chicharrón. You have the meat, the fat, it's nice and gelatinous, it's so good. Beautiful, beautiful slices of pork belly. Very abundant in the meat as well. Look at this noodle, so chewy, also gelatinous-y. So you have like this meaty gelatinous and then you have this wheat gelatinous in the noodle. And then the greens just add a slight bitterness to contrast and kind of break up the fattiness. That flavor of the soy, all the seasonings in there, so perfect. And then some of the pink drink. Ah, man, that's good. So cold. Give you a sugar rush while you're eating. This will help you move for the rest of the day. Thinking again about like that humidity could make you feel weighed down, but this send you right to the moon. All right, I'm gonna make myself a little plate of the Tum Pu Plara, the papaya salad that has the salted crab. Wow, look at all the juice down there. See all that juice sitting at the bottom of the salad there? Wow, definitely gonna get a spoon, pour some of that too. I'm not sure what this vegetable is called, but I've seen it. It looks kind of like an eggplant. This green one. Let's get some of this in here. Look at that beautiful fish sauce color, that fermented fish sauce. Wow. Yes. The papaya has had some time to soak in that fermented fish dressing. So it's still crunchy, but like just saturated in flavor. And then this eggplant, let's try this. Yes, it's delicious, thank you. Very crisp, robust vegetable. It really breaks up the salty flavors that a lot of that soy saltiness is kind of like neutralizes all of it. Wow. Here's a little bit more of that crab. It's amazing how sweet, naturally sweet the crab is. I'm not sure if you're really supposed to like open this or you kind of just... Wow, you can actually suck the meat of the crab right from it. You don't have to break open the shell because that makes sense. It's fermented, so it's soft. It's very jelly-like. It comes right out of the shell. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm understanding this better. Here you have the little leg of the crab, and there's meat in there, but it's like since it's fermented, it's become soft and jelly-like. Delicious. This Thai food is like a crash course in contrasting and balancing of flavors. You have the cold, the hot, the sweet, the sour, crunchy, gelatinous, and then the ultra sweet and cold in this lovely red Nom Yen. This Pad-Zee-Ew is calling my name. It is just so good. Look at that soft pork belly. So juicy. I'm so glad I didn't ask for this spicy because the papaya salad, remember we ordered it medium spice. That's enough spice that it's being carried through the other dishes. Look how nice and jelly-like these noodles are. They're all kind of like clumped to each other. It's almost like as if it was like a sheet of noodle. And then as you cook it and stir fry it, it kind of sticks together, becomes gummy in the best way. There's also a little bit of egg in here, but it's finely distributed throughout the dish. I just got a piece of the pork belly, just the meat though. Oh, and it's just so much soy, umami flavor, concentrated flavor to the max. Oh, look at this noodle. Isn't that like the perfect Pad-Zee-Ew noodle? Oh my gosh, that was so good. So many flavors, just like flavor bomb after flavor bomb. And just looking at the menu, I realized like how much I haven't tasted of Thai food. I have a long way to go, but man, this is a good place to start. This place was excellent. Loved the papaya salad with the crab. That jellied fermented crab was so delicious. And then you had like the Pad-Zee-Ew with the pork belly, which I've never had before. I've had Pad-Zee-Ew, but never with the pork belly. I don't think I'm ever going back. That was excellent. The Tom Yum with the crispy tofu, and then that pink drink, perfect to cap it all off. I didn't even have room for dessert. The drink was essentially my dessert that I had at the beginning. So that was excellent. I can't wait to explore more Thai food. Oh, also, if you guys recommend any other Thai dishes that I should try, please let me know in the comments. And I see that there is a whole world that I have yet to learn. I'll see you guys on the next one.